I'm going to set up multi-factor authentication for a user in our Microsoft 365 Admin Center. So I'm going to click on Kate, for instance, and Kate is going to get multi-factor authentication. So multi-factor authentication basically is something you have and something you know. In this case, just a username and password alone is not multi-factor authentication. It would be single-factor authentication. So we want to have more than that by clicking on the multi-factor authentication option. A new page opens up when I click on that. And it allows me to enable multi-factor for all the users, even though I just clicked on Kate earlier. So I'm going to find Kate, and then I'm going to add her into multi-factor authentication. And there's Kate, and I'm going to choose Enable. Now I'm going to choose Enable Multi-Factor Auth. And now it's done. So the next time Kate goes to log in, she's going to receive a message that says, before you're able to go any further, you've got to set up two-factor authentication. So let's do that. I'm going to sign in as Kate. Put in Kate's password. And now we see more information is required. Click Next. We need additional security information. I'm going to choose the send a text message, but if you do a call me, then you're going to hear a machine language basically read to you what the text message is. I'm going to choose the authentication phone. But we can also choose the Office phone or a mobile app. So Microsoft does have an Office 365 mobile app that you'll be able to install, and then it will contact you using the mobile app, and then you can choose to approve or not. Now I'll type in my phone number and click Next. I received a verification code on my phone, so I'm going to click Verify after typing it in. And now it's asking me about a different password. So we see in some apps like Outlook, Apple Mail, etc., you can't use a phone to secure your account. So you need to use this app password. So we can copy this app password and then paste it into a notepad and then use that if we want to use any other applications that require it. And now I can click on Outlook. And I should be able to log into Kate's Outlook. Now that I'm logged in, I'm going to log back out again. And this time, when I log in, let's see what happens. I'll choose Kate's account, put in the password, click Sign In. And now my phone is receiving another text. But this time I didn't have to set it all up. It's already set up. All I got to do is look at my phone and grab that text. And now I'm logging in using multi-factor authentication. So you can either use the app or use text or call me, any one of those things, for your second factor in the two-factor authentication. And now I'm logged in. Now to reverse this process, if I no longer want to use the two-factor authentication, I can go back in. So I'll click on Kate and choose Disable. Disable multi-factor authentication, and now it's done. So the next time that Kate goes to log in, she should no longer get the text message requirement or any other type of multi-factor authentication. However, it's a great idea to leave multi-factor authentication on. Sometimes users may lose their phone, or they may have some issue with their phone that will break the ability to get that text message or use that mobile app. So you may have to disable it temporarily for that reason. But other than that, it definitely can cut down on any types of hacking attempts.